Top legals of the Congress Party, Supreme Court lawyer and member of Parliament in the Rajya Sabha, Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Thank you very much, sir, for speaking with us here on CNN News 18. You held an elaborate press conference today as well as yesterday. The order by the Lok Sabha Secretariat to disqualify Mr. Gandhi as member of Parliament. You are questioning the alacrity, the speed with which this order has come. But what the Speaker's office and what the Lok Sabha Secretariat are saying is that this is an automatic disqualification because after the 2013 Lily Thomas judgment, any member of Parliament who's convicted for 2 years or more automatically loses his or her membership.
I am not questioning merely the alacrity. I am giving you several facets. The first and the largest facet which I have taken up today and partly yesterday is that it is not a legal issue, it's a political issue. There is, according to us, a systematic emasculation of democratic institutions, democratic spirit, and therefore of democracy itself by this government. As I said, freedom of speech has been imperiled, freedom after speech has been more imperiled by a series of intimidatory tactics, coercive criminal steps. First and foremost, see that larger political perspective. Rahul Gandhi speaks without fear, a very, very great candor. He speaks on economics, politics. He criticizes, he talks of demonetization, GST, and he goes abroad, he comes back, and they say you can't come to Parliament till you apologize on fake notions of fake nationalism, pretended nationalism, artificial created nationalism. He goes into Parliament and speaks on the day the Prime Minister speaks, and he's referred to Privileges Committee. Has it happened in all these decades of parliamentary democracy that parliamentarians who have an additional right of free speech beyond 19(1)(a) are intimidated in this way? See that larger perspective. Okay. He comes out, and for the first time in the history I've never seen, the ruling party says this parliament will not go on unless a prior condition precedent of him apologizing. So I think this has never happened, and this is nothing but another attempt in the chain. Now I want to tell you something interesting about the sequence of events in this proceeding which led to the conviction yesterday. The complaint is of 2019, and Rahul Gandhi goes and appears in person in Surat in June 2021. There is a different magistrate then. Okay. The magistrate is changed in 2022. Meanwhile, the complainant has already gone to the High Court and sought a stay of his own complaint, and that is pending from early March 22 all the way to this year, February 23. The complainant is not interested in the complaint. Rahul Gandhi gives a speech, the famous or infamous speech, on 7th of February, a fiery speech criticizing the conduct of this government. 7th of February 23. And that complainant suddenly lands up in the High Court and says, I want to withdraw my own stay against my own complaint. I want the trial to start immediately. On 16th February, 9 days after 7th February, the stay from the High Court is withdrawn by that complainant. And the matter is resumed on 27th February. And lo and behold, judgment comes on 23rd March. So all of it happens in less than about a month and a half. After that speech. Before that, it's been lying quiet at the complainant's instance for 1 year. No, the matter Rahul Gandhi speaks about is in Kolar, Karnataka. The magistrate is obliged to have an inquiry under a section called 202 because he is in Surat. He has to have a territorial inquiry. He doesn't do it. The argument is taken, noted. He doesn't do it.
No, so Dr. Singhvi, the BJP is just holding a press conference. In fact, we were on it just now, where they are saying that this is attack against an entire community, that you're attacking the OBC Samaj, you're attacking the Modi Samaj. Politically speaking, how does the Congress Party and how do you respond to that? Because it's not just one individual who Rahul Gandhi has allegedly insulted, but the entire community, a backward caste community.
He named 3 persons in that objectionable statement, which is the subject matter of defamation. None of those 3 people are complainants.
Okay.
Different people with the same surname are set up in Bihar, Ranchi and Surat to file complaints. He did not say that everybody with that surname is a thief. He said that the names I am taking, because the scams I am mentioning, comprise thieves. He said something different. These are set-up complaints in a bizarre sense. And complainants are set up. The complainant is happy and sleeping and getting a stay of his own complaint, and suddenly he wakes up and fast-tracks it. And no inquiry is done about territorial jurisdiction. This is an absolutely amazing, unprecedented conviction. It has no legs to stand on, and we are confident we'll get a stay of conviction.
So what is your next step going to be legally? Are you going to move the Sessions Court asking for a stay on conviction? Are you going to move the Supreme Court? What is your next legal step?
Absolutely. Stay of conviction is a vital condition precedent. It is the most necessary thing. And, it takes some time to draft, to meet your lawyers, to file. This is hardly 24 hours ago this has happened.
Okay.
So they've gone there.
All right. Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, we'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining.